covenant izihlobo zami inkonzo uNkulunkulu ayambula kuJohn Wesley. Mangiqale ngikusho ukuthi this is not our covenant. It is God covenant. Singobani thina ukuya nomnqophiso nesivumelwane necovenant kuNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu in his mercies, in his grace, in understanding our weaknesses, he created a covenant with his people. Wasethi kuJohn Wesley kubalekile ukuthi njalo unyaka mawuqala abantu ababizwa ngokuthi bangama-Methodist, the Methodist people, they must pause and reflect upon the covenant that they have with God. Sizophosa ke bazalwane bami ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sireflect. Lapha ke eNorthfield icovenant isiyilungiselela kusukela ngeSunday yokuqala besidikidikana namahubo 42 la ethi khona umbhali njengendluzela yomela amanzi kanjalo umphefumulo wami womele wena Thixo. Savumelana siyibandla ukuthi indlunzela uma ifuna amanzi noma iwiki kangakanani akekho kwazi ukuyivimba, ngoba indlunzela isilwane esibalwane sinyamazane esingenawo amandla, that you cannot compare with lions and other big animals. Kodwa once yanxanyelwa amanzi nespeed egijima ngaso ayikwazi ukusivimba. Savumelana ukuthi uma singena kunyaka ka-2025 masibe ngabazalwane abafana nendlunzela eyomela amanzi kuze umphefumulo wethu ugcwaliswe ngomoya kaThixo. Savumelana ukuthi kulonyaka kuzofika isikhathi la khona sizogomela amanzi sibe njengabantwana baka-Israyeli ababesuka eGibhithe baqonde eKhanani. Athi umbhali ngobude bendlela bawamela amanzi endleleni, bathi uma befika eMara bafika amanzi ebaba, bathi uma bewaphuza amanzi bangakwazi ukuwaphuza. Wakhuluma uThixo namandla amakhulu kuMoses wathi shaya leli dwala liphuma amanzi, aphuma amanzi baphuza abantu baThixo. Kuzofika isikhathi la uzoncama khona endleleni, sithi noma usunqaniwe endleleni ukhona uThixo, ukhona uThixo, ukhona uThixo. Savumelana ukuthi uJesu mayikhuluma mina ngamanzi okuphila ophuzile kulamanzi akasoze oma nanini na. Savuma ingoma sathi ophuzayo kulawa manzi, ophuzayo kulawa manzi, ophuzayo kulawa manzi akonika. Sathi usuhlangene nomthombo nguJesu uke wahlangana nentombazane eSamaria yagoloza intombazane yaphakama eSamaria yathi lo mthombo waphushwa uJakobe, uyini wena ukungilethela amanzi? Wathi uJesu ukube bewazi ukuthi mawuphuza lamanzi angeke uphinde unqanwe. Sasimasifikha kule weekend edlule sahlangana noEzekiel 47 ethi wabona umbono wehla emasulweni. Uthi wabona amanzi ephuma ngaphansi kwethempeli. Uthi uEzekiel ngasondela kulamanzi ngawafica eshaya emaqakaleni, ngaphinda ngasondela kulamanzi afika emadolweni, ngaphinda ngasondela kulamanzi afika kwiwest, ngaphinda ngasondela kulamanzi ngaze ngafika la khona amanzi ngingasakwazi ukuwakontrola, kodwa amanzi econtrola mina ngoba uzugcwele ngomoya oyingcwele. Awusikontroli, ukontrolwa amanzi aphilayo angunaphakade, amanzi angunaphakade, amanzi aphilayo. Ngithi-ke bazalwane bami, ningasali ngemuva uma sawungena kule covenant, nikwazi ukuthi sisukaphi, ngoba sivumelene ukuthi lamanzi aphuma ethempeleni iwona amanzi azohambisa ukuphila emhlabeni. Ama-politician can try, business people can try, everyone can try, kodwa amanzi okuphila akuKristu Jesu. Sifuna ibandla elizoma lithi kukhona ukuphila, ikhona insindiso kuKristu Jesu. uKristu Jesu. Ivumeleni-ke hambeni kaThixo uma sawuncengisana kulamazwi namhlanje. Siqale ngokuthi uthi umpresiding bishop wethu uma esincenga siyibandla lamaweseli uthi we must become an alternative community. We must become an alternative community. An alternative community. Let me put my argument. Get that community must be filled by the Spirit and the life of Jesus. We can't be an alternative community if we are not rooted in Christ Jesus. What's again? Presiding Bishop, we must become an alternative community. Alternative community is a community ethi la khona violence and war ilethu ukuthula. An alternative community is a community ethi la khona hatred and zonto ilethu uthando. An alternative community is a community ethi la khona condemnation yona ibring affirmation. La khona judgment ilethe umusa kaNkulunkulu. I-community ethi la kukhona ukufa ilethe ukuphila. That is what alternative community means. Ngivumeleni-ke hlobo sami ngibeke emcamelweni letimo ka-presiding bishop ngithi Gamente, choose a life giving community. Choose life giving community. Sifunde amabala amabili. Elokuqala uMoses uma eseconclude iministry yakhe ubhalela uIsrayeli imiyalo yokuthi iphile kanjani. Kulena esikhuluma ngayo okanye kulona efundiwe uthi umbhali weBhayibheli wabhala uMoses wathi kubantwana bakaIsrayeli ukhulumile uNkulunkulu wathi uyafunga amazulu nomhlaba uthi namhlanje phambi kwenu nginikeza ukufa nokuphila, nginikeza ibusiso nesiqalekiso. Mase yaqeda uThixo athi khethani ukuphila, athi khethani ukuphila. Ingitshele lonto ukuthi you can choose life over death. You can choose love over hatred. You can choose mercy over judgment. You can choose integrating. You can choose to be one instead of being divided. Choose a life-giving community. Lento ke hlobo zami ayiqali namhlanje eWeseli. uWesley into eyenza ukuthi libe khona leli bandla namhlanje ingoba uJohn Wesley as a member of the Anglican Church, he was going to church singing nabaculayo, ethandaza nabathandazayo, eshumayela nabashumayelayo, kodwa kukhona into ngaphakathi eyayishoda. Wahlangana nomfowabo uCharles Wesley, bahlangana nama-friends wabo e-Oxford University, bathi masiqale i-Holy Club la khona sizoba i-alternative community. Ukuthi umuntu ongathandwa ebandleni elikhulu akwazi ukufika thandwe la kuthina. Athi umbhalo weBhayibheli ukuze ongumxoshwa emhlabeni engabuxoshwa kuye. Bayakha bencenga le alternative babadelela abantu ngoba umuchuza an alternative community, there are people who are going to accuse you. Angeke phela izinto sibheda abantu bakuthande noma izinto sezilungile futhi baphinde bakuthande. Once you choose a life-giving community, you must know that you are going to risk having friends. Ayidinanga lapho lento. In 1958, in the height of apartheid, it was about 10 years old, apartheid. The Methodist Church of Southern Africa chose a life-giving community. Yati, it is by the will of God that this church must remain one and undivided. It's choosing life. Wathunyaza uhulumeni wabandlululo ubopha abefundisi bebandla lami bandla lathi solalela uThixo ngeke simlalela umuntu. Ngoba if you want to be a person who chooses life-giving, awukwazi ukulalela abantu. Your discernment, your tuneness of listening must operate above the normal. It must operate above the normal. In 1981, in the heat of political violence, the Methodist Church of Southern Africa wrote a statement which was called Obedience Odiwa 81. Yathi lesa statement, hulumeni wobandlululo, we are standing against you. We are choosing from 1976 ingane zabulawa. We are choosing ingane zibulawa eThembisa, ingane zibulawa eDavidson, ingane zibulawa eWatville, ingane zibulawa eDuduza. We are choosing those who are vulnerable, those who are marginalized, those whose sin is the color of their skin, and they chose. But we are going to obey God. Namhlanje ke hlobo zami ngiyakubeka phambi kwenu ukufa nokuphila. Angive ngixakeka uma ngihlangana namahamente kakhulukazi lawa amadala athi iyafa inkonzo, ngizibuza ukuthi kanti wena, what is it that you have chosen? Uma if inkonzo, what is your contribution in the dying of the church? Uma if inkonzo, wena uthula uthini? Ngoba manje uyikhomba inkonzo engathi abanye abantu abale kude, kanti inkonzo wena. And today you must choose. You must choose whether you are bringing death or you are bringing life to this church. You must choose today. uyasho uNkulunkulu uMoses uqala wabakhumbuza kuqala abantwana bakaIsrayeli ukuthi mina nganithathaphi nina ngoba inkonzo ifa uma siqala ukukhohlwa ukuthi sisukaphi noThixo. Today you forget ukuthi wake wacula iculo wathi ngingumoni phambi kwakho nginecala Thixo wami wayizwelibala ukuthi you yourself you were once a sinner. Ngoba ke uma sesinxibe kahle siyakhohlisa. Sizitshela ukuthi siyingilosi. Sitshela ukuthi sikwazi konke. Namhlanje kule covenant awukukhethe. Ukuthi ukhetha. Ukhetha ukufa noma ukhetha ukuphila. Angininikeze answer encane nje before uqhubekele phambili. Uthi uJesu kuJohn chapter 10 verse 10. Uthi uJesu, the thief comes only to steal, to kill, to destroy. I have come so that you may have life and have it more abundantly. Kudwetshwa ulayini uJesu. Uthi uJesu abahamba nethief kana abahamba nokufa kana abahamba nokubulala kana abahamba nokudestroya kana kodwa uthi mina ngingana abafuna ukuphila ngizobona ukuphila ngibanikeze ichacha. I'll give them more abundantly. Now the first step towards choosing life awuqala uhlangane noJesu. Awukube neappointment naye. Awuspend isikhathi naye. Ukumbuza ukuthi njengoba ngifa ianxiety, njengoba ngifa idepression, njengoba ngifa imthwalo yasemhlabeni, where can I get this life? Ngoba inkinga ihlobo zami sithi sesidumise sonke kanti kukhona abafile kodwa bayadumisa. Bayadumisa, sekudumisa Thixo, siyavuma ukuba nguYehova kodwa bafile. Abanye bame bashumayele balivuleke izulu basindiswa abantu kodwa bona bafile. Kodwa bona bafile. Masike siqale siphilise umuntu ongaphakathi. Ake qale kuphile umzalwane ongaphakathi engakabi indodana, engakabi igilda, engakabi umfundisi. Awukuphile qala. Awukuphile qala. Ungasitsheli ukuthi uyaphila. Uthi uJesu, you will have life, have it more abundantly. We just want to see the abundance of life in you. Umzalwane ungasitsheli ukuthi usindisiwe. Awungasitsheli. Keep that information to yourself. Thinto esifuna ukuyibona incwadi yaseGalatia siwabona ngezithelo zabo. The fruits of the spirit. Athi mayebala uMapostle Paulos athi uthando, athi kindness, athi patience. Abazalwane abanayo patience. Abazalwane abanalo uthando. Abazalwane abanabo ubumnene. Abazalwane abanayo iself control. Thina sinankinga nokusindiswa ngakho. Sikulinda kuGalatians chapter 5 verse 22. Sibona khona inkambo kaKristu sithi ngempela ngoba ngithe mangona kuwena wakwazi ukungixolela. Awukwazi ukuphila kuKristu ungakwazi ukuxolela. Awukwazi. Ngoba kusho ukuthi leyanto uChrist ayimemeza emnqamlezweni, it's useless to you ethi baba baxolele ngoba bakwazi abakwenzayo. Fresh qale lapho. We must cultivate a life-giving life. Iqala pha kuwe. Qala pha kuwe. Ibonakala pha kuwe. Ukuthi lo mzalwane lo uyachichima impilo. Uyachichima impilo. Konke akukhulumayo it's life-giving. Awukwazi ukuthi ukhiphe ukuphila enkonzweni ukuyise emhlabeni uma ungakwazi ukukhuluma. There are Christians who cannot speak, who cannot talk, who don't have good words to speak. Mabekhuluma bayalesha, mabekhuluma bayakondema. Kanti uthi umbhali uJesu kuncwadi yaMateyu, the amount of judgment that you are using to judge is the same amount that will be used to judge you. Umzalwane ungakakwazi ukuthi kulolu hambo lwethu kufika isikhathi zokuwa, kufika ikhathi zobunzima, kufika ikhathi zobunikezela, kufika ikhathi la khona sithi bengiya nesihlwele kuyo indlu yakho. Siyafika leso sikhathi. Masingakaze sikufikele sisazokufikela. Safikela uJobe. Hayi wena bohle uJobe ngempela. Safikela uJobe. Wathi unkosikazi kaJobe mase sifikile leso sikhathi wathi thuka lo nkulunkulu ufe. Masingakakufikela isikhathi mama uvice la khona ubona izingane zakho siperisha ubuza ukuthi kanti uNkulunkulu kuphi. Ingane zakho zidla ama drugs ubuza ukuthi kanti uNkulunkulu kuphi. Umyeni ehamba ngabuyi ubuza ukuthi kanti uNkulunkulu kuphi. Emanyenweni uhlethwe ubuze kanti uNkulunkulu kuphi. Masingakafiki leso sikhathi sisazokufikela. Ngoba sonke njoba siphila nje sibekelwe imnqamlezo yethu. Nawu nowakho nami nowami, kodwa imnqamlezo ayilingani futhi ayifiki ngesikhathi esifanayo. Uma sanikezwe wena umnqamlezo omncane omhlophe ngombala oclean ogeziwe wamkele, bakhona abathwele imnqamlezo erough, imnqamlezo enesipikili, imnqamlezo engaphatheki, imnqamlezo engathwaleki. Bakhona bazalapha kuqala unyaka ngoba bathwele. Yithi-ke mina, the first point of encounter, have Jesus with his life in abundance. Esibili, masikebe amaKristu akhanayo. That's what we read about in Acts chapter 2. With that congregation, chapter 2 verse 42 to 47. That congregation, it was a congregation of people who were building each other. Uthi mayibhala umbhali uthi wonke umuntu owayekholwa, they shared everything and they met each other's needs. Bangaka abantu abangena enkonzweni baphume belambile, kodwa sithi we are an alternative community. Bangaka abantu abangena enkonzweni bethwele baphume nayo imithwalo yabo ngoba bakwazi ukusinikeza yona. Bangaka abantu asebayiyeka inkonzo ngoba we are not a caring community. A caring community is a community edlulayo kulombuzo othi how is it with your soul. Ibuza ukuthi uhlezi kanjani ekhaya, nilale endlile nabantwana. Njoba kuvula ikole nje abantwana bayile esikoleni. Bazalwane bami, abekho abanye abantu Thixo abathembile ngaphandle kwenu. I wish one day we can spend time with the people outside the church. The same amount of time as we spend amasihleli sodwa silwa. Hey, ngoma sesilwa bazalwane bami, ungaze ufunge ukuthi asikaze sihlangane noKristu. I wish the church can learn ukuthi there are people out there who need this life and they lead it urgently and in abundance. A committed life giving community. It's a community mawesela mahle who the problem kamakhelwane iproblem yakho. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi ubuKristu kwahamba kwasikipha nama values ethu obuntu. Yingakho sikwazi ukuthi makushoniwe kwamakhelwane esijombe singangeni khona siyokwazi ukuvakashela omunye umuntu okhonza nathi. Kanti bazalwane ubuntu buqala la kumakhelwane. Before kuye kumzalwane webhanji ngoba umzalwane nendodana neWesley Guild nebhanji lapho unabo naye abakho makhelwane. Kumele siqapheleni lokho ngoba we become celebrities in our communities. Basibona siphume ekseni, basibone sibuya ntambama, kodwa abawazi good morning no good afternoon wethu. I'm challenging you, friends, that today choose life. God is placing before us. There is life, there is death, there is curse, there is blessings. Choose today. Choose today. Wake wathu omunye umkhulu ngapha eHammersdale langisuka khona. Kusashawa inyoni. Khona inyoni encane kwathiwa isparrow. Ayishaya le nyoni omunye wabafowethu. Wahamba nayo. Waya nayo kuleli ixhegu leli. Lo mfana waveza nje izinyawo waveza ikhanda. Wafike wambuza lo mkhulu. Wathi mkhulu, can you guess if this bird is still alive or dead? Choose life, bazalwane. It's all in your hands. If you choose, you can choose to be arrogant. You can choose to be untouchable. You can choose to be in power. But I'm suggesting that today choose life. You can choose the positions of the church. But I'm suggesting today that choose life. You can choose to be everywhere and be everything. But I'm challenging you today that you choose life. Because in Christ Jesus, there is life in abundance. Wayibamba nomfana lenyoni. Waphinda wambuza lo mkhulu wathi, "Uyaphila nale nyoni?" Laphendula ixhego. Lathi, "Mfana, kusesandleni sakho. Ngoba mangithi le nyoni iyaphila, you will press it and it will die. Uma ngithi le nyoni ifile, you will open your hand and the bird will fly away." Ngifuna ukuthi bazalwane bami uhlezi ukhala ukhomba abanye abantu. Uthi awuthokozile nje enkonzweni 1 no 2 no 3 no 4. Ngithi namhlanje kusesandleni sakho. You are the one who must determine uthi uNkulunkulu choose namhlanje. Uthi ufuna ukuchoose uba yini, ufuna ukuchoose uba ubani, ufuna ukuchoose ukwaziwa ngobani, ufuna ukuchoose ngokuthi uthenjwe ubani, ubani ohamba nawe, ubani ongekho kuwena. Ngithi namhlanje open your hand and choose life. May God bless you. May God keep you. May God shine his face upon you. Masithandaze.